Good morning from a very, very warm Spokane, Washington. Today we are rewrapping our Evo 10. I'm used to wrapping when it's about 70, 75 degrees in the shop. It is currently 103 degrees outside. We actually have like a excessive heat warning right now. So it may be a little bit different with like not using heat guns and whatnot. We had the entire car pretty much wrapped yesterday in the yellow to black fade, and then we started having issues with the wrap that we were using. So today we are rewrapping the entire car. It has to be done within 2 days for the Slammed Enough Portland event that is coming up. So we are gonna be getting a little bit of help on this wrap job. Also, before I forget, we do have a Boston apparel drop this upcoming Saturday, 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We are dropping 9 new t-shirt designs. We are dropping some new tank tops that you guys keep seeing me wear, and we are dropping some jet tags as well. Like I said, this Saturday, 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And then the following day, we are gonna be at the Slammed Enough Portland event on Sunday with this car and with the wide body FRS. Should we show them the wrap?
Let's do it.
The OGs know this wrap. Bro, that looks better than I remember.
There we go.
My man Chandler sourced, what is this? Fiery?
3M Fiery Orange, if I
Yeah.
remember. Gloss Fiery Orange.
Those damn weed whackers need to shut the hell up. This is the first wrap I ever used way back in the day. What was that, like 6, 7 years ago probably on the FRS? It was a long ass time ago.
Yep.
Yeah. It was either this or red. We initially were gonna do blue, but then that didn't end up working out. Gloss Fiery Orange it is, OG FRS color. And it should look damn good, especially with the bronze wheels, don't you think?
I believe it. It's gonna look fire.
Yeah.
Way better on this one than the FRS.
Dude, it's gonna look insane on this car. Well, you ready for round 2, bro?
Yep, let's do it.
Let's slap some magnets up there and kind of trim out the doors. Ooh, this is gonna look good.
I'm excited too because I actually haven't used this color before. So.
Yeah, just because I noticed yesterday there's like a silver strip in between the door that I could see. Let's just panel by panel it.
Yep.
Sick. I always forget, do we cut out the door and then shift the vinyl and cut out the other door? How much extra do we have? It's below the panel, but it's still, yeah, I'm retarded. See, this is why I don't cut shit. Here, yeah, hold that up. Let me just grab that panel. I think it comes all the way down. All right, bro. Watch us fuck up 3M.
Dude, if we,
That'd be impossible.
yeah, I was like, if we fuck this up,
We're done. Cool, I'm done.
all good.
That's how it feels. It's crazy how sticky it is though still because it's so hot out.
Right.
Done, look at that.
Glass out.
Glossed in 10 seconds. So would you do that, like the palm thing there as well first?
Yep. So what I would do actually with this here, I would heat here and then push it in there.
And just right down the center.
Yep.
I feel like I'm gonna fucking crinkler. There's always a new way, bro.
Money.
Yeah, I used to just stretch it in there. I mean, it always held, but.
Well, my thought process is when you take the stretch from here on something that has more material versus here, then there's no stretch in here because this is warmer.
Yeah, almost don't even need a heat gun today. It's so fucking hot. 103 is what it said today.
Oh.
things are moving right along. Whole passenger side, it's pretty much finished up. We still have the front fender. She's looking good. Comment below, do we keep the bronze wheels on the orange or do we do a different color? About halfway through the day, we are back to where we ended yesterday with the entire quarter panels, pillars, and doors done on the car. Actually, we're gonna do the hood right now. Then we'll be where we left off yesterday. I think we're gonna keep the scoop black. I think it's gonna tie in nice with the black on the Veris bumper. And then probably do some wide body panels after that and some bumpers. Should we put it up on the roller?
Yeah.
And bent ass PVC.
Damn, be careful.
I know. Right, let's go this way. Yesterday I cut it short, or a couple days ago, and that's where it fucked me.
It happens to the best of us.
Yeah. Happens to me every time.
Still doing this.
Yeah, we got a lot of extra vinyl.
Especially in the front.
Yeah. Glassy. Look who decided to join the goddamn party. What's up, homie? You like the color?
Yeah, that's pretty dope.
Do you remember this color?
I remember this color, yes.
FRS?
Only the OGs remember this one.
I know. We're almost done with the damn car. We're cooking. We are cooking.
Holy cow.
All right, before we move on to the bumpers, I picked up some bumper quick releases from JDC that we need to install. I do need to cut some holes in the front bumper for these, and then we're gonna wrap the front bumper, rear bumper, skirts, and then we're pretty much done with this damn car. Bro, there the fuck it is. My goddamn radiator cap. I'm like, where the fuck did that thing go? Probably my car won't start. We're gonna have to wrap the bumper tomorrow. We can do all the inlays, I guess. Jared just pulled up. Jared's gonna go ahead and wrap our bumper.
I got it. Easy money.
All right, how do you start?
Just get a big piece and slap her on there.
Sick.
Yeah.
For real though, we got myself, we got Cody, who's the installer. Cody, introduce yourself to the channel.
I'm Cody Rebolt, and I wrap cars for a living.
Yes, sir. And of course, we got my mans. So, us three are gonna see how fast we can do rear bumper. What do you think? 30 minutes? This son of a bitch.
You need them.
That is bright. How do I make that not so bright? So you come to my shop and you make everyone drink beer and be unproductive.
Bruise and wide bodies.
Hand it over. Thank you, sir. Cody, explain what you got going on right here, brother. Help the boys out.
Yeah. So we're doing inlays. Basically, is what this does is it prevents the edges here from lifting up when you're going down the highway, or when you go from 80 degrees in the summertime to 50 degrees in the wintertime, or any temperature drop. It'll make sure that these edges are perfectly sealed.
I'm trying to do some over, I guess, inlays they'd be called in these vents right here. And then we're gonna inlay these like Chandler did right there. And then we're gonna do one main panel on the whole bumper. Wait.
Let's see.
Here.
Jared don't know how to
I'm
open
a twist top boy.
Yeah. Thumb there. Take this. You're gonna use this part. Stick it under. There you go.
Mind blown. I haven't showed you guys this color in the sun yet. Got a nice little flake. Oof. That is sick. This is a 3-person job?
Yeah, low key.
Low key or high key?
High key. Hold the vinyl.
10 feet right
Just hold the vinyl there.
Don't mind me.
Alright, slice her in half somehow or no?
yeah.
You tell me, Cody.
Literally. Grab that side of the roll, hold it this way, and Devin, just go straight down the side of this. Hold it tight. Hold tight.
This is like two tuners battling it out at once. Bro, it's fucking Chag and Baby.
Let the back run the ground.
Yeah, you're not supposed to do that. The backer goes against the panel. Puts dirt on the panel.
Bro, we gotta clean the bumper. We can't clean it all. Now I gotta go, hey, does he have another 60-foot roll? We're gonna need more. Motherfuckers. Oh, you bitch.
Bro, nothing's barely.
Jared, did you knock that fucking thing over? You're professional at that.
No, dude. For once, I didn't.
all of the camera memory cards are either full or the batteries are dead. So here is where we're chilling on the car right now. We are pretty much done with this thing in one day, which is absolutely insane. We did the roof in gloss black. We're gonna keep the hood scoop gloss black. I did have to fill the holes on the front bumper for the quick releases because the JDC ones put them in a different place. So we have to wait for that epoxy to dry. And then tomorrow we can go ahead and bust out the front bumper. So all we have left is the bumper tomorrow morning, one skirt, and then I might do the rear bumper. We're trying to decide what exactly we want to do here. I'm not a big fan of how that looks. I think if we just took the black from, kind of match the front bumper, honestly. So if just this and this was black, have that orange, and only have the black go to like here. Either that or have it all orange. I'm gonna mess with it tomorrow morning and decide what we want to do there. But here is pretty much how the car is sitting. Let's go ahead and slap on a wide body panel. The seamless look with the hidden hardware is, it looks so good on this car, especially because the front fenders don't have any hardware. So, which needs to be situated a little bit, but look how clean that looks, my friends. The one thing I'm undecided with, and I need to decide really, really soon because we do leave very, very soon, is wheel color, which I'm not going to recoat these ZE40s. Of course, these are the original matte bronze on the ZE40s. So I have a different set of gramites that I can put on the car. I don't think I like the bronze and the orange. They're too similar. So I need to decide on a wheel color for the gramites that we're putting on here. I'm thinking either just gloss black or like a matte graphite. And then I need to decide on a Brembo caliper as well. And other than that, this thing should be ready. It does need to go to tint. I do need to get it running. For some reason, the car's not starting, so I got to get that sorted. But this thing should be ready just in time for the Slammed Enough Portland event here this Sunday. Pretty insane what you can accomplish in one day when you got two homies willing to help out that are both experienced rappers. I'm gonna wrap it up right here, my dudes. I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out. I'll see you boys in the next video.